Okay, it is 9:20 in the morning. I gotta go wash my clothes, upload yesterday's vlog, and do a whole bunch of other stuff. Let's go. There is a fire over here. Okay guys, so I was driving down like the main street. I was driving and I see a big cloud of smoke. So myself wanted to go and see what it is. And I passed by and oh my god, you can see like the whole smoke. I just passed by, I made a U-turn right now. And it's like very big and look at that. And there's a whole bunch of people like just like stopping. But oh my god, look at this house. I'm just gonna pull over and just gonna look at it. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Whoa. So there's this house that's burning and yeah. They're putting it out. Oh my god, look at all that smoke. But wow. There's like people, look at this car, look at these cars. They're like, there's people just like on the side of the road just standing. Like, oh, somebody crashed. Wow, somebody crashed. Hit and run, hit and run. What? That was a hit and run, guys. We just caught an accident on camera. What? Oh my god. A car tried to do like a turn and hit a car and he just went in reverse and then just left. Oh my god, that's a hit and run. We just witnessed a hit. What? What? That's hilarious. All that. All this jam. And look at them. Oh my god. Feel bad for you guys. Wonder what happened to the people, to the guy. But I'm at the mall now. Well, I'm close to the mall. Like the mall's like a couple minutes down that way. And my girlfriend, I was supposed to meet my girlfriend here, but she is, I don't know where she's at. She's not texting me back. Oh my god, I'm getting mad. So I'm just right here at a McDonald's. Okay, so while my girlfriend, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but while my girlfriend is getting her nails done, I'm gonna go to Target. I think I need one of these. Okay, so my camera died, so I'm filming with my phone, and yeah, so I'm going home now. Just left my girlfriend's house. About to go home. It's like 12 o'clock in the night. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Keep smiling, do more, as what I always say. Alright guys, peace out.